Well, I became interested in science because I was curious about how life works. When I was young, I enjoyed learning about chemistry and biology. My family supported education and encouraged me to follow my interests. I studied at the University of Cambridge, where I became more interested in biochemistry and scientific research. One of the hardest projects was discovering the structure of insulin. At that time, many scientists believed proteins were too complex to study completely. It took me many years of careful experiments to identify the order of amino acids in insulin. The work required patience, precision, and many repeated tests. I would probably use modern genetic technology and computers to study proteins in DNA much faster. During my time, sequencing took a very long time. These machines could help scientists understand diseases and create better medicines more quickly than ever before. Yes, mistakes are a natural part of science. Sometimes unexpected results forced me to rethink my ideas and improve my methods. In research, failures often teach more than successes, because they show scientists what does not work and help them move in a better direction. I worry that my experiments might fail after years of work. Scientific research can be slow and uncertain. I overcame this fear by staying patient and focusing on careful, honest work instead of worrying too much about recognition or fame. I would like to meet Charles Darwin because his ideas about evolution changed biology forever. I would enjoy discussing how genetics in proteins help explain evolution at the molecular level. My work on proteins and DNA sequencing helped scientists better understand diseases, genetics in medicine. DNA sequencing later became very important in medical research, forensic science, and developing treatments for illnesses. It also helped future scientists study the human genome. There were difficult moments when experiments failed or progress was very slow. However, curiosity kept me going. I always wanted to understand something new about life and biology, and that motivation helped me continue my work. I would tell students to stay curious and patient. Science is not only about intelligence, it is also about careful work and persistence. Even small discoveries can become important in the future. I would love to see scientists fully understand complex diseases, such as cancer and genetic disorders. I also hope future researchers continue using genetics and biochemistry to improve human health and make life better for people around the world.